Kato yung tatong ang tulo sa bulan din.
Ah,
Kung bahali na ba, kaya ko na ito hard na.
mas may po ni makatilag presko kol.
Oo.
Oh, way up there.
Oh yeah. This is a video.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you do a video. I can stop this because you already have it. The hash tuba. You will clean it.
So this is milking a coconut tree. That's where you use to make the tuba from. First to drink it raw like this, and then after a couple of days it ferments and it becomes a cheap alcoholic drink.
Lulong ni siya.
Gisimot. That's fresh.
That's fresh.
And can you drink it all?
Mas rin siya itong 24 hours.
Ah,
Kani pila, malani sa ikabuntag hangtod sa hapon.
unsay kalainan sa lasa?
How long does it take till it starts to ferment?
No, they don't ferment. That's fresh yet.
Yeah, but how long does
Ay, kung maghimo kag katong sa to lambanog.
Bali na?
Oh, bahali na.
30 days pa to sa mainom. 30 days pa.
30 days before you can drink it. For bahali na.
Siguro,
You want more?
I'm good.